1345 into 1616 क्या होता है? मुझे थोड़ी आंसर पता है। मेंटल फिटनेस इज एज इंपॉर्टेंट एज फिजिकल फिटनेस। यही दोनों फिटनेस दिखाने के लिए इंडिया के नॉर्थ, ईस्ट, वेस्ट एंड साउथ से आई है 4 अलग-अलग सुपर फिट टीम। The girls have taken a very solid lead.
लड़कियों का पाला।
We will start with the tiebreaker. 3, 2, 1.
वेलकम टू फिट इंडिया क्विज शो। मैं हूं तानिया पुरोहित, मेरे साथ है जतिन सप्रू। आज यहाँ पर खेला जाएगा तीसरा क्वार्टर फाइनल और हमें मिलेगा हमारा 7वां सेमीफाइनलिस्ट।
लेकिन सबसे पहले ये जानना जरूरी है, आर वी गुड इनफ? आर वी प्रेप्ड इनफ? लेट्स वार्म अप अ बिट। तानिया पुरोहित विल स्टार्ट बाय टेलिंग अस कि 1345 into 1616 क्या होता है?
एक सेकंड सोचने दो। 21,73,520।
Sure?
100%।
मुझे थोड़ी आंसर पता है। मैं तो देख रहा था कि तैयारी कितनी है। Sometimes you have to see, are you prepped well enough? Are you ready to take on a challenge?
आपने एक काम तो बहुत अच्छा किया कि मेंटल फिटनेस की जो एक्सरसाइज होती है ना, वो बिल्कुल शुरुआत नहीं करवा दी।
ये सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है, एंड दैट इज एग्जैक्टली द पॉइंट। मेंटल फिटनेस इज एज इंपॉर्टेंट एज फिजिकल फिटनेस, और आज यही दोनों फिटनेस दिखाने के लिए इंडिया के नॉर्थ, ईस्ट, वेस्ट एंड साउथ से आई है 4 अलग-अलग super fit teams. Boys, let's have your introduction.
I am Divyam Patel of SBR Maheshwari Vidyapeeth School, Surat.
And I am Prateek Singh of SBR Maheshwari Vidyapeeth, Surat.
We are the team from Sikkim, Don Bosco School, Malbase, and today we are representing Sikkim in this national round.
Hello everyone, I'm Shrishti Mukhya from Don Bosco School, Malbase, Sikkim.
Hi everyone, I am Manan Sethia and I am Ishan Talreza. We are representing Krishna Public School, Kamal Vihar, Raipur, Chhattisgarh.
Welcome to the quiz, boys.
Myself Varun Anand, representing Devi Academy Senior Secondary School from Tamil Nadu in the Fit India Quiz national level.
And myself Navid Ahmed, representing Devi Academy School from Tamil Nadu.
आज खेला जाएगा थर्ड क्वार्टर फाइनल और इसमें होंगे 4 राउंड्स। पहला राउंड है फिट है हिट है, सेकंड राउंड माय हीरो माय क्विज मास्टर, थर्ड कनेक्ट द डॉट्स एंड फोर्थ बस कर दो।
देखिए 6 सेमीफाइनल्स हमें मिल चुके हैं, तो आज जो टीम जीतेगी वो जाएगी सेमीफाइनल्स में। बाकी की जो 3 टीम्स हैं उनका सफर यहीं पे समाप्त होगा। इस क्वार्टर फाइनल की पहली एक्टिविटी राउंड 1, जिसका नाम है फिट है हिट है।
दो टीम्स करके यहाँ पर ये गेम खेला जाएगा। ड्यूरेशन इज गोइंग टू बी ऑफ 1 मिनट, जिसमें दोनों टीम्स को दी जाएंगी कुछ फुटबॉल्स। ओके, बस टीम ए को टीम बी के एरिया में फुटबॉल्स डालनी है और टीम बी को टीम ए के एरिया में फुटबॉल्स डालनी है। 1 मिनट के बाद जब ये गेम रुकेगा तो ये देखा जाएगा कि किस टीम के एरिया में कितनी फुटबॉल्स हैं। जिसके एरिया में कम फुटबॉल्स होंगी वो टीम जीत जाएगी।
जो टीम फर्स्ट आएगी उसको मिलेंगे 30 points. The team that finishes second will get 20. Third team will get 10, and even the fourth team will get 5 points.
जो टीम जीतेगी उन्हें मिलेगा एक बोनस क्वेश्चन, एक्स्ट्रा पॉइंट्स कमाने का मौका। अगर आप उस बोनस क्वेश्चन का सही जवाब देते हैं तो आपको मिलेंगे +10 पॉइंट्स, और यहाँ पर कोई नेगेटिव मार्किंग नहीं है।
First 2 teams, SBR Maheshwari Vidyapeeth Gujarat and Don Bosco School Sikkim, will go up against each other. Girls, on the left side of the court. Boys, head to the right side of the court. You know the rules. Your time starts now. Make sure कि टप्पा पड़ने के बाद बाहर जाए बॉल। For the girls have taken a very solid lead.
लड़कियों का पाला almost empty है. Doing very well. Well done, girls.
Come on, girls. Come on, girls. Oh. दिख रही है, strategy दिख रही है तानिया.
But I love it.
Oh, own goal.
Come on, girls. Yeah. Well done.
चलेगी वापस.
मैं पूरी तरह से
30 seconds up. 30 more seconds to go. Quick. थकान आ रही है थोड़ी.
I know it's not that easy.
Aim your throws. Give it your best.
Come on.
Bounce करके. Focus on the balls that are close. Quick. हाथों में नहीं. Let's see what you can do. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. One behind you. 3, 2, 1. Wow.
3, 2, 1.
1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. time to figure out who has an edge after this 1 minute. The girls from Don Bosco, Sikkim, आपके court में हैं a total of 6 footballs, and the boys from Gujarat have only 4. So which means that you just nicked this challenge by a very small margin. But remember, overall standings में अभी 2 और teams उतरेंगी, and you could still find yourself maybe on the 2nd or the 3rd position. So you don't know just is that good performance. Please go back to your podiums. We'll get ready for the other 2 teams to play Fit Hai Hit Hai. We've got the boys from Krishna Public School, Chhattisgarh to my left. We've got Devi Academy Senior Secondary School, Tamil Nadu to my right. The timer is ready. 3, 2, 1, go.
Okay.
So it's on a
Right
couple of
now.
body shots.
Krishna Public School, I think. Okay.
ये तो बात दिल पे ले ली है.
Oh my
come on,
God.
come on, Krishna Public School. Lot of catching up needed. Lot of catching up needed.
तमिलनाडु ने
Oh,
बहुत
they're coming
अच्छा
back. It's
comeback.
turned. बदल गया कहानी.
Oh God.
Bounce होना चाहिए. You can't. I'm not gonna count that. I'm not gonna count that.
एक बारी में आपके हाथ पर सिर्फ एक
It
बॉल
has
हो
to
सकती है।
bounce within the assigned perimeter. Yeah, that's okay. That's bounced within.
Well done, Krishna Public School. अच्छा.
You have balls behind. You have balls behind the logo, guys. You have balls there.
7.
They're all part of your
6,
court.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Time
Stop.
up. Time up. Is it a tie? Or maybe it's not. Because while you guys were participating, एक rule जिसको तोड़ा गया, and I flagged it when I was watching this game, one of the throws did not bounce, it did not land on court, and it went directly off the line, out of bounds. Which means, Krishna Public School, Chhattisgarh, you had 4 balls in your court, you had 6 Devi Academy Senior School, which means they're the winners in this challenge. But overall, we got 2 teams that have finished with 4 footballs in their court. We've got 2 teams that have finished with 6. ये गुत्थी तो अब फिर quizzing से सुलझानी पड़ेगी. But well done, all 4 of you. Please get back to your podiums. We will have to enter a 2-way tiebreaker. We will start with the tiebreaker for positions 3 and 4 first. Actor Deepika Padukone's father, Prakash Padukone, has represented India in which sport? Your answer?
Badminton.
Well done. You finished at number 3 with 10 points. Team ANC, SPR Maheshwari Vidyapeeth, and Krishna Public School, Chhattisgarh. Here comes your tiebreaker. Which former cricketer holds the record of taking the most number of catches in test matches?
Rahul Dravid.
Rahul Dravid takes you to the top of the leaderboard. 2 cricket questions. SPR Maheshwari Vidyapeeth, Gujarat finished number 1. You're on top with 30, and you now have a chance to increase it by 10. Aapko milega bonus question.
Who became the first Indian female wrestler to win a medal at the 2016 Olympics? Your options are Geeta Phogat, Babita Phogat, Sakshi Malik, Vinesh Phogat.
Sakshi Malik.
Oh, he meant it, and with that, 10 points extra for you. SBR Maheshwari Vidyapeeth के पास है 40 points now.
40 points to them. Then we move to Krishna Public School, जिनके पास है 20 points. Devi Academy Senior School, Tamil Nadu finish with 10, and Don Bosco School, Sikkim, they finished round 1 with 5 points. Well played, all the 4 teams. Well done. We're heading towards our second round, which is called My Hero, My Quiz Master. This is a chance that you have to just feel a little closer to sporting greats who brought so many laurels to the country. They will be asking you the questions. Lekin uske pehle, there are teams that have to do a lot of catching up. So listen to me carefully. From now on, there is a trump card for you. हर टीम को एक बार ट्रम्प कार्ड यूज करने का मौका मिलेगा, और वो ट्रम्प कार्ड आप यूज कर सकते हैं राउंड 2 या राउंड 3 में.
ट्रम्प कार्ड से अगर आप सही जवाब देते हैं तो आपको 20 पॉइंट्स एक्स्ट्रा मिल जाएंगे, यानी डबल आपके पॉइंट्स हो जाएंगे. उसके अलावा एक और ऑप्शन आपके पास है, आप एक लाइफलाइन इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. जब आपसे सवाल पूछा जाएगा उसके बाद आप हमें बता सकते हैं क्या आप लाइफलाइन, जिसका नाम है पावर प्ले, उसे इस्तेमाल करना चाहते हैं. अगर आप करना चाहते हैं तो आपको 15 सेकंड्स एक्स्ट्रा मिलेंगे टू आंसर द क्वेश्चन. लेकिन ट्रम्प कार्ड और पावर प्ले को आप एक साथ इस्तेमाल नहीं कर सकते.
एंड If you want to opt for the trump card, you have to let us know before we ask the question. And यहाँ पे कोई भी negative marking नहीं है. The order of this round will start from Team A. Subsequently, it's Team B, then Team C, then Team D. And after that, you start the reverse round. So you'll get 2 questions back to back. And every hero who's joining us here has a total of only 2 questions. So in case we run out of questions from that quiz master, you have to opt for another one.
इस राउंड में जिस टीम से सवाल पूछा गया, अगर वो सही जवाब देते हैं तो 20 पॉइंट्स मिलेंगे। और जैसे जतिन ने बताया, नो नेगेटिव मार्किंग। लेकिन इस चीज का ध्यान रखना है कि आपके पास सही जवाब देने के लिए सिर्फ 30 सेकेंड्स होंगे। और अगर लाइफलाइन यूज करते हैं, ऑफ कोर्स इट्स गोइंग टू चेंज।
Time to meet our great sporting personalities जो आज फिट इंडिया क्विज में कार्य करेंगे क्विज मास्टर का। We start with Mirabai Chanu, the first Indian woman weightlifter to win a silver medal at the Olympics. We have Naveen Express, who's been raiding teams left, right and center with the Super 10s on the Kabaddi mat. Gautam Gambhir joins us representing cricket, arguably one of India's finest openers. And representing the wrestling clan, Olympic bronze medal winner Yogeshwar Dutt too will be firing some tricky ones at our 4 contestants. स्टार्ट करेंगे हम टीम ए के साथ। एसपीआर महेश्वरी विद्यापीठ गुजरात, कहां से चाहते हैं आपका पहला क्वेश्चन आए?
मीराबाई चानू।
कौन सी साल में मैंने 48 केजी में कॉमनवेल्थ गेम्स में गोल्ड मेडल जीता?
2018, B 2014, C the 2010 Commonwealth Games, or D 2006?
Option A 2018.
Well done. You pick up your first 20 points, SPR Maheshwari Vidyapeeth. We move to Don Bosco School, Sikkim. Where do you want your question to come from, girls?
Gautam Gambhir.
In 2011, which Delhi cricketer became the then 5th youngest player to take 100 test wickets?
आपके options: A Umesh Yadav, B Ashish Nehra, C Ishant Sharma, or D Avishkar Salvi?
Ashish Nehra, national plan.
2011, that tells you a little bit about the career spans. Umesh Yadav, Ashish Nehra, Ishant Sharma, or Avishkar Salvi?
A.
Had you gone with Ishant Sharma, it would have been the right answer. We move to Team C, Krishna Public School, Chhattisgarh.
Yogeshwar Dutt with trump card.
With the trump card. Okay, here we get the first trump card. Here comes your question.
बेटे मैंने कौन से ओलंपिक मेडल में ब्रॉन्ज मेडल जीता था?
2012 London, Beijing 2008, 2016 Rio, or 2020 Tokyo?
2012 London.
2012, the London Summer Olympics. There's absolutely no point in hyping this up because that is the correct answer with the trump card. Charlie's point. Devi Academy Senior Secondary School.
We choose Naveen Kumar and a trump card.
Naveen Kumar and a trump card.
2018 में एशियन गेम में भारतीय महिला टीम फाइनल में किससे हार गई थी?
Your options coming up on the screen. Was it A, Pakistan? Was it B, South Korea? Was it C, our neighbors from Bangladesh? Or was it D, Iran?
It is D, Iran.
बिल्कुल सही जवाब दिया आपने।
Well done, Devi Academy Senior Secondary School. Let's see who finishes on top because you get your next question. Your trump card is over, so you can't maximize it. Who's your next quiz master?
Gautam Gambhir.
Who is the only Indian captain, male or female, to have led the country to 2 50-over World Cup finals?
Was it A, Mahendra Singh Dhoni? Was it B, a legendary Kapil Dev? C, Mithali Raj? Or D, Virat Kohli?
It's Mithali Raj.
Just come to the rescue of a team that's come from Tamil Nadu. Devi Academy Senior Secondary School. Well done. Krishna Public School.
Same, Yogeshwar Dutt.
जालंधर में कॉन्टिनेंटल रेसलिंग एकेडमी कौन चलाते हैं?
Jind Mahal, B, the great Kali, C, Mahabali Shera, or D, Jeet Rama?
B, the great Kali.
And that happens to be the right answer. Don Bosco School, Sikkim. You have to seize this moment. You have to get the right answer. Where is the question coming from?
Naveen.
पीकेएल में लगातार कितने सुपर 10 लगाकर मैंने नया रिकॉर्ड बनाया?
26 consecutive matches. B, 20. Option C, 28 consecutive matches, or D, 24. It is quite an achievement to get a Super 10, and he did it in a record number of matches. What is the answer?
24.
नहीं, ये आंसर गलत है।
But the correct answer is C, 28. But well tried. You still have 2 more rounds and a lot of points to pick up. Come back to SPR Maheshwari Vidyapeeth, Gujarat. Are you happy with the question coming from Mirabai Chanu? Look at
And
you.
we will use the trump card.
And the trump card.
ओलंपिक में इंडिया के लिए वेट लिफ्टिंग में पहला मेडल किसने जीता था?
Mirabai Chanu herself, Karnam Maleshwari, Kunjarani Devi, or D. Swati Singh. Go on.
Option B, Karnam Maleshwari.
No point debating. It is Karnam Maleshwari. Expect every Indian to know that. First weightlifter.
It's time for the scores now, teams. Team B, Don Bosco School, Sikkim at 5 points. Up number 4 पर हैं अभी. Team D, Devi Academy Senior Secondary School, Tamil Nadu with 70 points. You are at number 3. Chhattisgarh Krishna Public School, बहुत अच्छी performance दी. आप 80 points पर हैं. Team A with 100 points. यहाँ पर इस round के winner है. Congratulations. We'll be back after a break.
Welcome back to the Fit India Quiz Show. We've got our quarterfinalists fighting it out for that one place available in the semi-final between these 4 teams.
Third round है जिसका नाम है Connect the Dots. Okay, you just need to connect the dots from either audio clips or visual clues. दिखाने के बाद एक question पूछा जाएगा. Correct answer will give you plus 20 points and you'll get only 30 seconds to answer the question. लेकिन जिसके पास power play lifeline बची है, वो उसे ले सकते हैं. उसे आप question पूछे जाने के बाद भी ले सकते हैं और trump card बचा है तो उसे भी choose कर सकते हैं. Team A से शुरुआत करते हैं. आपका पहला audio clue है.
It was everything was the big, I was 16 years and I have seen a big giant stadium when I went to the Moscow.
Fondly talking about her experience at the world stage, name this track and field icon of India. You've got 30 seconds.
Duti Chand.
Okay, unfortunately, it's the wrong answer. Right answer is P.T. Usha, जिन्हें जाना जाता था Queen of Indian Track and Field के नाम से भी. Paioli Express भी उन्हें बुलाया जाता है. Moving on to Team B.
हम ट्रम्प कार्ड लेने जा रहे हैं.
Okay, आपका visual clue है ये.
Begin with the pack. Hold attempted for the mount. Clock will start the moment her feet are locked.
On April 9, 2013, which Indian state declared this martial art, Mallakhamb, as its state sport?
Madhya Pradesh.
You sure? Confident? Okay, इंतजार नहीं करवाते. That's the right answer. और इसके साथ आपको मिलते हैं 40 points.
Well done.
Team C की तरफ चलते हैं. This is your audio clue.
Do remember, in fact, it was in the summer of '97 where the national games were held in Bangalore, and all the top players of the country, especially 2 names that I remember very clearly: Yasin Merchant in snooker and Geet Sethi in billiards, who have been stalwarts in our game and legends of our sport from India for many, many years and decades.
Name this 23-time International Billiards and Snooker Federation World Champion.
Pankaj Advani.
That's the right answer. Congratulations. Last question for Team D. This is your visual clue.
3 attempts each in snatch and clean and jerk. A lift is counted as an attempt the moment it rises above the knee and is deemed successful if the lifter raises it above the head with locked arms and legs.
And the question is, name this weightlifter who won India's first ever gold medal at the Youth Olympics in 2018.
We don't have an answer.
Don't have an answer? So I'm going to open the floor to both Team A and C. You don't get any points for it, but when I say 3, 2, 1, both of you give your answer. Let's see who gets it right. 3, 2, 1.
Jeremy Lal दे दूंगा.
तेरा काम आसान कर दिया था ना मैंने.
Time for the scores, Jatin.
Sikkim have leapfrogged at least from their 5 points at the end of the first 2. You're on 45 points. In contention, moving forward, Devi Academy Senior Secondary School, Tamil Nadu, you're on 70 points, 30 behind the joint leaders at the moment. Krishna Public School, Chhattisgarh, and SPR Maheshwari Vidyapeeth from Gujarat are both on 100 points. but the last round has 200 points up for grabs. और इस चौथे राउंड का नाम है बज़ कर दोस्त. As the name suggests, there is a buzzer that plays a very crucial role. Let's see which team will create a buzz. 10 questions, each carrying 20 marks. But this is the last round, and we reserved the negative marking for this round. 20 points for every correct answer, 10 points for the wrong answer. Give it your best shot. Question number 1, here we go. Which wicketkeeper batter captained the IPL side Rajasthan Royals in IPL 2022? The answers coming in from Team D.
Sanju Samson.
Sanju Samson it is, 20 points. The 2013 film autobiographical sports drama with actor Farhan Akhtar in the lead was about which legendary runner? They're quick on the buzzer again this time.
Bag Milka Bag on Milka Singh.
On Milka Singh it was, 40 points so far. Which Belgian city played host to the 1920 Summer Olympics? Antwerp it was, they moved to 120. Which all-rounder led the Kenyan cricket team to the semi-finals of the 2003 ICC World Cup? Kenya made the buzz in 2003 World Cup in South Africa. 3, 2, 1. Steve Ticcolo was the answer. After signing for Real Madrid, David Beckham chose the number 23 jersey as a homage to which 6-time NBA championship winner with the Chicago Bulls? Devi Academy are taking a chance here. Michael Jordan it was. Which current Indian cricketer is a co-owner of the ICL club FC Goa? Krishna Public at the buzzer.
Varun Dhawan.
Incorrect. -10 for you. Virat Kohli is the right answer. Who replaced Ralph Rangnick to become the new manager of Manchester United? Devi Academy.
Erik ten Hag.
Erik ten Hag it is. If the New Zealand men's rugby team are called the All Blacks, what is their men's basketball team known as? Oh, they're slipping up a bit, SPR Maheshwari. All Blacks, rugby, Kiwis. No, the Tall Blacks. -10 for Krishna Public School. Which nation stunned the defending champions China to win badminton's prestigious Uber Cup in 2022?
India.
That was the Thomas Cup, where the Indian men won. Uber Cup is for the women. South Korea beat China. Last question, last 20 points. In which sport did the Indian men's compound team win a World Cup gold medal in May 2022? Devi Academy.
Badminton.
Archery is the right answer. This one gets you -10, but we now need to find out who hit the bullseye. Don Bosco School, Sikkim, you jumped up to 45 points after the third round, but the last one was a little too intense. Be proud of your efforts. Big round of applause. You finished 4th. The team that finishes 3rd is a team that was tied for the top spot after the 3rd round. The boys from SPR Maheshwari, Vidyapeeth, Gujarat, 90 points. It's Devi Academy Senior Secondary School who picked up 70 points to double their score, get to 140 and walk into the semi-finals.
Congratulations Devi Academy Senior Secondary School, Tamil Nadu. आप सेमीफाइनल्स में पहुंच गए हैं. आप बने हैं 7th सेमीफाइनलिस्ट. भाई चलिए अभी तो बनता है, सब ताली बजाइए.
Excellent comeback towards the end. 7 सेमीफाइनलिस्ट हमें मिल चुकी हैं, लेकिन टोटल जगह है फिट इंडिया क्विज में 12 की. There are 20 teams that are still going to fight it out for those 5 remaining semi-final spots. अगले एपिसोड में 4 और क्वार्टर फाइनलिस्ट के साथ यही मिलेंगे फिट इंडिया क्विज में. We hope that you're enjoying the level of quizzing and the intense competition and knowledge that these teams have to offer. We hope that you enjoyed this episode. We'll see you very soon. As we all know, schools from all over the country have been participating in the daily online quiz, the Star Sports Q.
Let's take a look at some of the best performing schools. Well done to these schools and their quiz champs.